They declared war on birds. The sun burns over the wheat fields of Australia. Farmers are desperate. Crops shredded. Fences trampled. An army of 20,000 emus sweeping across the land like a feathered invasion. So the government sends soldiers. Real soldiers. With trucks. With machine guns. The battlefield? The outback. At first, it sounds absurd. Until the guns start firing. Bullets tear through dry air. Dust explodes from the earth. But the emus don't fall. They scatter. They zigzag. They sprint at 50 kilometers per hour. Too fast. Too unpredictable. Machine guns jam. Trucks stall in rough terrain. The birds regroup. Weeks pass. Thousands of rounds fired. Few casualties. The soldiers are exhausted. The emus? Still running. Newspapers mock the operation. Parliament grows quiet. And finally, the mission is abandoned. No victory parade. No surrender treaty. Just a strange, humiliating truth. In the wild heart of Australia, human firepower met nature's chaos. And lost. Officially, Australia lost a war. To birds.